Hi guys, today we're going to be making a game like Wordle. So you can just type in an answer and then you can get and then you check if it's correct. So let's get started with Wordle. So start with the new Scratch project, and what I'm just going to do is call this game, because we won't need a lot of sprites. So I'm just going to delete all the costumes for now. We will focus on all the visuals in the next episode. So the first mechanic in Wordle is to generate random words so that refresh daily. So a way you can do this is by making a list. So I can make a new list called word bank for all sprites, and then I can also make a new custom block called add to word bank. A new custom block called generate word bank. Okay. Make sure it is run without screen refresh. Okay. So when green flag clicked, I'm going to generate word bank. Okay. Now what you do is I'm just going to delete all of word bank, and then I'm just going to add random words to the word bank. So like I can add medic, I can add hello, I can do wary, and even twice. So this will just generate a random word bank. But what if you accidentally add a word that is more than 5 letters or even less than 5 letters? So for example, what if you add elephant, which is definitely not more than 5 words? Well, to fix this problem, we can make a new custom block called check word bank. Okay, run without screen refresh. Now, in this custom block, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new variable for the sprite only because it doesn't need a lot of memory. It's going to be called I, standing for index. I'm going to set I to 0, 1, and then repeat until I is not equal to, I is not greater than length of word bank. So length of word bank is 4, and I is right now going to be 1. Okay, and this is true. So I need to make this false again, So repeat until I is greater than that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is create an if statement that is if the length of item I of word bank is not equal to 5, then delete I of word bank. Okay? And then change I by 1. So let me just add a word that is not equal to 5, like 2. Now if I do this, 2 will be deleted. So even if you make a mistake. Okay? So after generating with the word bank, I will check the word bank. Now I'm just going to create a new variable called target word for all sprites. And then this target word will be set to a pick random of from 1 to the length of word bank. So yeah. And then item, pick random from 1 to word bank. Okay? So if I do this, then I got medic this time. This time I got hello. This time I got medic. I got hello. And I keep getting same thing, and then get weary twice, medic twice. So yeah. But to make this a lot more simpler, I can make a new block called pick target word, which is also run that screen refresh. I can just pick target word whenever I start the game. So if I keep clicking on this, then I keep getting a random word. Okay? And then for this to be similar to the actual Wordle game, I should add a lot more words to the word bank. And even if I make a mistake, I don't need to worry about it because it will automatically correct my mistake and delete the word. So I can add random words. So I can even add, let me just look up a few 5-letter words. So, flank, ghost, and random words. So, I can use ghost. I can use stun. And I know that stunned is not a 5-letter word, but even if I pick target word, then it will be deleted. Alright? So this was it for this video, and this video was just focusing on setting up the core foundation of Wordle, which was generating words. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.